The behavior of the add item method needs to change if the product is already in the cart or not. Create a ternary that checks if the current product is already in the cart. Use undefined for both the truthy and falsy expressions to avoid a syntax error. Now, let's have a review on what we know. We know the ternary looks like this. We have a condition that requires to be checked. If it's true, it would execute number 1, otherwise it would execute number 2. And we are trying to check if the current product is already in the cart. If the current product is already in the cart, so we have to check if it has appeared once, twice, or thrice. And we only need to check once for the condition to be met. Or at least what I know. And let's say in this part retrieves the product with its ID. As you can see, we access the property ID of the product with the object total count per product, which is assigned to a variable named current product count. Okay, and this actually indicates how many times the current product has appeared to our added item into our shopping cart. Now, let's start our ternary. And let's create the condition that would be calling this variable, because this it is assigned to where the code which retrieves the current product. Okay, current product count, and then the condition, I mean question mark, which would be the condition as a whole. And if it's true, it would execute undefined. Otherwise, it would also execute undefined. Undefined. Undefined, as the instruction says. Now, let's have here a greater than 1. And let's have a state, and let's have a step back on why is it set to greater than 1 if the current product count. So we know that if the current product count is 0, that would mean the current product has never been appeared in the shopping cart. And if the current product is equal to 1, that would mean the current product has appeared once. If the current product has set to 2, that would mean the current product has appeared twice, and so on and so forth. And we only need our current product to appear once. And that is what we are trying to check, as the instruction says. That checks if the current product is already in the cart. So it should be set to 1, because we only need the current product to be appeared once. So that is why we included here, if the current product count is greater than 1, that would mean it would either has appeared twice, thrice, or fourth time. That would be the condition we are trying to find. We only need 1. And that would be it. I hope I explained that right. And have if you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and I will try my best. No, I will do my best to explain. Nice.